Okay everyone, today we're going to make the scrambled egg tofu. We are going to need 1 extra firm tofu, Bragg amino acid, and we'll use that to taste, a 1/4 cup of cashews, 1/2 cup of water, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. Now I use a vegan seasoning, so no chickens were harmed in the making of that seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and optional 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. So one of the first things we want to do is we're going to want to open our tofu. Once we do that, we're going to put it into that nice handy dandy bowl right over there, and we're going to mash it all up. So as you can see, I've got my tofu here, and now I'm going to put it into this bowl here. We're going to just mash it up into pieces. Now while this is happening, we also want to preheat our pan to medium heat. So as you can see, our tofu is crumbled now, all mashed up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put it into our pan. Alright, so let's add our tofu on there. And now what we want to do is we want to add the Braggs in there. Now what we're doing here is we are just adding the Bragg there to add some color, and also it's just going to marinate as it cooks. Now while this is cooking, we're going to start on the other ingredients. Alright, so let's add all our other ingredients here. So we'll add here the 1/2 cup of water. Next we'll add our cashews. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the chicken seasoning, the onion powder, the turmeric, the salt, and if you would like, the lemon juice as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to blend this, and then afterwards we're going to add it to our tofu, which is cooking. Alright, as you can see, the tofu is browning here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add in the seasonings. Now make sure you give it a try, and if it needs a bit more Bragg, just go ahead and put some more in. You can also put some salt instead of Bragg if you'd like. Now I know what you're asking. What am I going to do with all this yellow mush? Well, I think I have an idea. You have been cooking with Dan. Thanks for watching.